In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an FAQ section to your Wix website, making sure your site visitors can easily find the information they need. First, open up your Wix Editor in Google Chrome. It's always a good idea to use a reliable and fast browser, and Chrome is a great choice because it supports the Wix Editor's features seamlessly. Once you have your website open in the Wix Editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see the main menu. Here, you're going to click on Add. This is where you can find a variety of elements that you can incorporate into your website to enhance its functionality and appearance. From the drop-down menu, hover over Strip, which is essentially a container for content that spans the entire width of your site. Strips are an excellent way to visually break up sections of your web page while maintaining a clean and organized look. Within this section, you'll want to select the FAQ template. Alternatively, if you're looking for more variety, you can also add an FAQ widget directly from the app market. By doing this, you'll have the flexibility to choose from different designs and functionalities that might better fit the aesthetic and structural needs of your site. After you've inserted the FAQ section onto your page, it's time to populate it with content. Start by entering your frequently asked questions and their corresponding answers. This step is crucial because an FAQ section is there to serve your audience by addressing their common queries. Make sure to phrase your questions clearly and provide concise, understandable answers. This will not only improve user experience, but also reduce the number of direct inquiries you receive, thereby saving you time. Next, it's time to customize the style and layout to match your site's theme. Wix offers a range of customizable options, allowing you to adjust fonts, colors, background images, and other design elements. Carefully consider your website's overall aesthetic and aim for a consistent look throughout all sections. Customizing your FAQ in line with the rest of your site ensures it integrates seamlessly and maintains a professional appearance. Before you wrap up, take a moment to preview your changes. This is your opportunity to see how the FAQ section looks and functions on your actual site. Check for any discrepancies or adjustments you might want to make. It's always beneficial to test out features before going live to make sure everything works as expected. Once you're satisfied with how everything comes together, click Save to store your progress. Finally, and most importantly, publish your site so your updates go live. This step is key as it allows your site visitors to start benefiting from the new FAQ section. You're all set. By following these steps, you've not only made your website more user-friendly, but also enhanced its professionalism. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in managing your Wix site.